precautions and cockpit drill. Before you start any journey, make sure you check the car is roadworthy. It has got MOT and road tax, and you are insured on the car, so car should have insurance as well. After that, walk around the car and check if there is any damage to the car. All the tires are fine, none of the tire is flat, the bumpers are okay, nothing wrong with the bumpers, no damage to them. Okay, all the mirrors are intact, check them. Okay, none of the window is smashed, doors are locked, back bumper is good. Okay, walk like that. Okay, check it, that's fine. There you go. Once precautions are done, after that you have to do the cockpit drills. What is cockpit drill? Cockpit drill is to set up your car to drive. So you must remember acronyms of 5 words. Dsssm. D for doors. All the doors should be shut properly. How do you check the doors are shut properly? Either you can check on the side mirrors, okay, wing mirrors, all right, any of the door is opened, you can easily check them. They're not going to be flush with the rest of the car body. Or if you look at the dashboard, and then you will see the sign illuminating on there, the door is open. In that case, you must shut that door. After shutting the doors, you need to adjust the seat. So how to adjust the seat? So you can move the seat backward and forward by pulling up the lever which is underneath the seat like this. Okay, and if you check on the right side, there should be a couple of knobs here to move the seat upward and downward. Okay, or some of the cars has got some levers. Okay, so moving the back of the car forward or backward, and bottom of the car to move upward and downward. Okay, check your head restraint is adjusted correctly with your ear or eye level like that. Okay, the rigid part of the head restraint should be behind your head. Okay, after adjusting your seat, you must fasten your seat belt like this. Okay, and then once seat belt is done, check your steering wheel. When you set steering, make sure the steering should be in reach. Okay, if you put both of your hands on the steering wheel, there should be a little bit bend in your arm like this. Okay, and there should be a bit of bend in your knee as well. In case of any emergency, accident happens or something like that, obviously you're going to use harsh brakings and your weight will push forward. Okay, and if you have a straightened arms like this, okay, they're going to snap from your elbows. So make sure steering wheel is adjusted properly. After that, you have to check your mirrors. If the mirrors are not adjusted properly, you can do them from the side here. There are some knobs here, some buttons. Okay, so L for left mirror, R for right mirror, and there should be some arrows here to do up and down. Okay, so make sure first of all, when you check the right mirror, half of the road and half of the sky should be visible into that right mirror. If it's not adjusted properly, you can move up and down, and a little bit of your car back side should be visible there as well. So you should be able to see that. Okay, so my mirrors are absolutely fine. If I check on the left, exactly the same. So if yours are not adjusted properly, make sure you should be able to see half road, half sky in that mirror as well. If it's not, you can do from here L and arrow up and down, left or right. Okay, after that you can adjust the center mirror. So center mirror, you should be able to see the full back window in your center mirror, because you have to keep looking on the back, anybody following behind you. So you have to keep an eye on that. So you should be comfortably sitting here, not like this, not like that. Sit here like this, okay, comfortably, okay, and you should be able to see the full back window, okay. The top of the mirror should be lined up with the top of the back window. That means your back window is, your center mirror is adjusted properly. So once your cockpit drill is done, after that your examiner will ask you to drive on when you are ready, or if you're not sitting in any exam, just drive on by yourself. Thank you very much.